Thank you, Pudari, for giving me Arogya Rakshak Award for 2021. I am Dr. R.S. Sonane, homeopathic psoriasis specialist. I am practicing for last 34 years and I am treating psoriasis patients for last 34 years. I am MD in homeopathy. I am fellowship course in advanced homeopathy from MUHS Nasik. I have done my DI Home London and I have done my Deep NIH National Institute of Homeopathy Calcutta, which is the biggest institute of the world in homeopathy. This is Psoriatic Homeopathic Clinics Private Limited, treating psoriasis patients last 34 years, and we have treated more than 24,000 patients. Psoriatic is dedicated for the treatment of psoriasis. Psoriasis was a rare word when we started the treatment. As per psoriasis, it's an autoimmune disorder which is not having a permanent treatment in modern science. It has been written in the textbooks that it is treatable, not curable. But since homeopathy, we have treated so many cases safely. The existing treatment for psoriasis is what we find in modern science is only to control the psoriasis, whereby the effects of the psoriasis medicines are very bad on the health. It treats the psoriasis, it controls the psoriasis, but over the period of time it is found that it damages the kidneys and the livers, and it can only be controlled, and the psoriasis goes on increasing and increasing. When I started my practice in 1987, long ago, I was treating all the cases, and one fine day, one patient told me that he had psoriasis for last 20 years, he had not been treated and he was not free of psoriasis, and he wanted to commit suicide. Because every day he was dying. Whenever he was going to his shop, whenever he was meeting the people, they were asking him what is this disease, and he is not being treated. So this is what the psoriasis patient, they never get treated, and they also find that doctor says there is no treatment. This what ignited me, that if I have studied in such a biggest institute and if I have treated one patient, why should I not dedicate my life, rest of my life and my practice for the treatment of psoriasis? From that day, I decided to treat psoriasis and psoriasis only. I decided to treat psoriasis only, and I just told my patient that I will not be treating any other patient other than psoriasis. So we are doing the research on that, and with the research mind, we started our practice. Today we are having our clinic in Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur and Nashik. One of the things that I found over the period in my research is that as the patients started coming and coming more, and because of a scientific background, I used to take the photos of psoriasis every patient every month, and I developed a special sense of diagnosis of psoriasis and diagnosis of a psoriasis remedy from looking at the photograph. And with photograph I can choose a remedy according to the characteristic of the psoriasis, and I published my research of diagnosis and treatment of psoriasis with the picture of psoriasis. That especially I have developed my own research, and it was in 2014 in Paris, and it was very well accepted by the world. And since 2014 and onwards, we find our patient base is not only in Mumbai, Pune and Nagpur, Nashik, where we have our clinics, but we have the patient base all over India and many countries of the world. We treat the patient just if they say us, so send us the photo. And in lockdown time, our research, we already were on online treatment for this psoriasis, and we have very good results in that. And during lockdown, we found that definitely it was very useful, and we were serving the patients online during that treatment, during the lockdown period. And in this one more thing we find for this psoriasis research that I did, because I have all the data of 24,000 patients of photographs, and recently National Institute of Technology, Raipur, I am associated with them for the research of a software for diagnosis of psoriasis, and research for the we are creating a hardware, a new camera, which is specifically designed for treating the skin disorders and diagnosis of the skin disorders. All this research has helped us since we started for all this research, and we are now online, we are on cloud, and we are serving the patient contactless. Patient need not come to us. We have this special system developed so that patient can contact us online and we can treat them online. So this has helped us in lockdown, and all these services we are giving and it is helping so many people in this, and where research is going on. Another one important thing we say that our specialty is that, so as it is said that psoriasis is never cured, but we have the patients who do not have psoriasis even if they are discontinued the treatment for 10 years and more. And according to modern science, if a patient is not having psoriasis, even after he has discontinued the treatment for more than 1.5 years, he is termed as a cure. Otherwise, a patient has to take the treatment throughout his life, and only so long he takes the treatment, he is free of psoriasis. This is what the modern science says. But with homeopathy, we have the patients who have discontinued the treatment and they are still free of psoriasis. This is what the research of Psoriatic Homeopathy Clinics Private Limited. Our clinic is dedicated for the treatment and research of psoriasis, and we have helped the patients, and we still are improving ourselves. And moreover, we are online, and we have the online system of treatment, and there is no bar that you need to come to the clinic. You can come to the clinic, you can take the treatment, and we have all the records, scientific records of the patients that we have treated, and we have the record that patients are not having psoriasis for more than 10 years and so. Thank you, Pudari.